Hi guys, if you're interested in going from this to ultimately this, stick around to see how I achieve this look. Alright, so the first thing you'll need is a spray bottle. I just like to spray the hair a little bit. And then you'll need Shine and Jam. And I love just to be extra and add this 24 edge tamer, the extra mega hold, because I just feel like it makes the hair last longer. You'll need a, what do you call this thing? An edge brush. And some black rubber bands. Alright, so starting off with this braid, just make sure you brush all the hair into one. Add a little bit of the Shine and Jam. And then I add a little bit of the edge, 24-hour edge tamer. And then I just brush that together. Take one of the small rubber bands, collect the hair together, and wrap it around. I'm gonna do 6 times. Or just do it how many ever times so you feel like it's tight enough. I'll do that. That's one. Then we'll move on to the next one. The same process, the Shine and Jam. I love the 24-hour edge tamer. And there you go. So I went ahead and did the perimeter of her hair, and you can see the difference from the outside braid and the inside braid. And here are the final results. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. And like always, till next time.